In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom goal tracker in ClickUp, goals, targets, and dashboards. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible space that brings all your goals and targets into one place and sets you up to report on progress with confidence. First, open ClickUp and get ready to create a dedicated home for your goals. Think of this as the foundation for everything you'll track: company objectives, team KPIs, or personal milestones. Keeping goals in their own area makes it easier to standardize how you plan, measure, and review progress without clutter from unrelated work. Next, click on Create Space. A space is a top-level container in ClickUp, perfect for separating strategic planning from everyday tasks. Creating a separate space for goals helps maintain focus, define clear ownership, and control who has access. If you manage multiple teams, this also makes it simple to roll up results without mixing in other projects. Now, type in Goal Tracker as your space name. Use a name that's clear and easy to search. You can add an emoji or color to make it instantly recognizable in the sidebar. If you'd like, include a short description to remind your team what belongs here. Think goals, key results, success metrics, and review cadence. Consistent naming makes filters, dashboards, and cross-space reporting much easier later on. Click on Continue to move forward. If you see quick setup prompts, feel free to keep things simple for now. You can always refine settings later once you've added a few goals and learned what works best for your team. Finally, customize however you want. Start by defining statuses that match how you track progress. Simple stages like not started, in progress, blocked, and complete are often best. Add custom fields for what actually matters: a numeric target, current value, owner, due date, quarter, and confidence level. Create the views you'll use to monitor progress: a list view for structured updates, a board view to visualize movement through stages, and a calendar view to see deadlines at a glance. Consider adding a doc inside the space for your goal-setting framework and review rituals. Set sharing and permissions, so only the right people can edit goals while everyone else can view updates. If you rely on repeat structures, save a goal template with your standard fields and statuses so every new goal starts consistent. And when you're ready to report, add a dashboard tied to this space to chart targets versus actuals, show progress bars, and highlight what's at risk. That's it. Your custom goal tracker space is ready to capture goals, measure targets, and power clear dashboards. Keep names consistent, update progress regularly, and review on a set cadence to make your data meaningful and actionable.